Yummy, yummy. Mmm. Yum. Big girl? Are you a big girl? Huh? Are you a big girl? Baby. Say, I'm almost about to turn 1. I'm almost 1. And I'm so big. And I'm just trying to eat my meatballs. They're my favorite. You sweet girl. Mmm, yum. Mmm. You like your meatballs? Yum, yum, yum. You want to drink your water? Look at that big girl. We gotta hold it down a little bit. Look. Like that. Oh. And our house is a mess because we're doing the kitchen. We start in 3 days. So we've been packing. And Mama's home with dinner. Hi. Say hi. We'll have to follow up with an after. When it's all done, I will be so happy. That wall's coming out. That step's coming out. Island.
It's Mama.
There she is. With the pizzas, of course.
What are you doing, Dan?
Home videos.
Hi! You already ate the meatballs?
Baby!
Did you eat the meatballs already? You did. Say hi, Mama. You can't have pizza yet. Say hi, Mama. Say hi.
Wave.
Hi.
Hi.
Now you have food.
She's too hungry.
Oh. Did she eat all the meatballs?